upcoming Phase 3 elections on May 7th, the Haveri Parliamentary constituency in Karnataka is set to see an interesting contest. Traditionally, a stronghold of the Bhartiya Janata Party, this seat has been won by the party in every parliamentary election since 2009. However, this time around, there's a twist as the current BJP MP Shivkumar Chanabasappa Udasi, who has held the seat since its establishment in 2009, has announced his retirement from politics. Stepping into Udasi's shoes is Basavaraj Bommai, a former Chief Minister of Karnataka and a prominent figure from the Lingayat community for the BJP. On the other side, the Congress party is fielding a fresh face, Anandswamy Gaddadevarmath, who is the son of former Congress MLA GS Gaddadevarmath. Like, comment and subscribe to Daily Salar Digital for more such updates.